Right, welcome back. We're going to carry on looking at probability today, and here I've got a probability scale. So we're going to label the scale and we're going to go through exactly what each term means, okay? So at this end of the scale, okay, this end means impossible. And when we say impossible, we mean that the chance of something happening is 0. Okay, so if I say to you, I'm going to roll a dice, okay, what's the probability of getting, I'm going to roll a standard dice, okay, what's the probability of scoring 7? Okay, the probability is 0 because there are no 7s on there. So the chance of it happening is impossible. Okay, next one then is unlikely. Okay, so when I say unlikely, there's still a chance of it happening, but the chance is very small. So again, if we look back at the dice, okay, we could have, what's the probability of scoring a 1? Okay, there's 1 on there, but there's only 6, there's 6 probabilities or 6 outcomes that could happen. Okay, so the chance of getting a 1 is unlikely, but it still could happen, okay? Middle one then, okay, is even chance. Okay, so the probability of it happening is exactly the same as the probability of it not happening, okay? Next one then is likely. So if I said to you, what's the probability of scoring a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 if you roll a dice, then realistically it probably will happen. But there's also a chance of it not happening as well. Okay, and the last one then is certain. Okay, now certain means it will 100% happen. Okay, it has to happen, it will happen. Okay, now you can come up with your own examples for this. Okay, be careful, people have a lot of challenges when they look at these two, because something that you think is impossible could actually be unlikely. These two cross over, and these two cross over as well. Even chance is usually the easiest one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a set of statements, and you're going to write down whether you think they are even, unlikely, impossible, or likely, or certain. Okay? If you've got any issues with that, let me know. This I think is okay. I don't think this is going to be too challenging. We are going to move on next lesson to something slightly different with probability as well. Okay? If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day.